Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone turn sideways. So let's get started. Really simple. First thing you want to do is pull down or pull up the control menu. Now once you have the control menu down here, you're going to look for this basically lock in with the arrow like circular. But basically tap on it to turn off what's known as the portrait mode. Now with this mode turned off, if I go ahead and open up, for example, a browser, and I turn my phone, as you can see here, it now turns sideways. And I can do it with things like a message as well. As you can see here, I can message people and then have conversation and switch between messages. And I can also do it for apps like video. If I'm watching something, I can actually now just go ahead and turn it sideways and watch it this way as well. So, and then I can go ahead and do that as well. You can also do things like this, just like that. Now, keep in mind, this will work for some apps. Some apps, it will not work. For example, if I open the phone app and I try to rotate it sideways, it doesn't work because it's not supported. So you're going to find that some apps are supported, some are not. Again, that's kind of depending on the app itself. Some will work, some will not. But essentially, this is the only way you can basically have it turn to the side. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.